What if your teacher was available 24/7, knew exactly how you learn best, and could explain any concept in the world in any language instantly? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's already happening, and it has one name: artificial intelligence. We're standing at the edge of the biggest shift in education since the invention of the printing press. AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming a co-pilot for teachers, students, even parents. But what does that really mean? Let's dive in. For centuries, education followed a fixed model: blackboards, textbooks, lectures, homework, one teacher, 30 students, one pace. It worked for the time. But now enter AI, algorithms that can adapt lessons to your speed, analyze where you struggle, and suggest what you should learn next. AI-powered platforms like Codmigo, Socratic by Google, and Duolingo's GPT-powered tutor are already changing how kids learn everything from grammar to algebra. In fact, the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2027, AI will be at the core of global learning systems. Here's what makes people excited: personalized learning. AI doesn't just teach, it learns how you learn. Visual, slow-paced, bilingual, it adapts. Real-time feedback. Forget waiting for results. AI gives instant corrections and explains your mistakes. Global access. A child in rural Pakistan can now access the same quality content as a student in Paris or Tokyo if internet is available. Support for teachers. AI can handle grading, generate lesson plans, and help identify students who may be struggling quietly and quickly. As Sal Khan, founder of Khan Academy, said, AI can become every student's personal tutor and every teacher's assistant. And it's not just tech optimism. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, said AI will be more profound than fire or electricity. And in education, that might actually be true. But here's the twist: not everyone is cheering. Many educators, psychologists, and parents are asking tough questions, and they should. Over-reliance on AI could make students passive. Why think hard when a chatbot can give you the answer in 3 seconds? Creativity and critical thinking might suffer if AI becomes a shortcut rather than a tool. Bias and misinformation are real. AI can get things wrong too. And there's also the issue of data privacy. What happens to a child's learning history online? Even Elon Musk, who supports AI development, once warned, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. Dramatic, maybe, but it shows how cautious even the pioneers are. So how do we balance innovation with wisdom? Here's what educators and institutions should keep in mind. Teach AI literacy early. Kids shouldn't just use AI. They should understand how it works. Blend tech with humanity. A good teacher does more than explain. They inspire, guide, and connect. AI can't replace that. Focus on skills that AI can't replace easily: empathy, ethics, creativity, leadership. Let students experiment, but with guardrails. Encourage curiosity, but teach responsibility too. For homeschooling families, AI can be a game changer if used with intention. You can use AI tools to generate personalized worksheets. Let kids ask questions to AI, then reflect on the answers together. Create creative prompts to make writing or reading fun again. But remember, AI should be a bridge, not a babysitter. Stay involved. Your connection matters more than any chatbot. If you're a student, here's something powerful to know. AI can help you learn faster, but it can't do the learning for you. The best way to grow smarter is to question, challenge, experiment, not just consume. Think of AI like a mirror. It shows what's possible, but you shape the story. So here's another important question. Will AI replace teachers? No, but it will change them. And it will change you too. The future of education isn't about robots versus humans. It's about humans using powerful tools to learn in new ways. Now here's your homework. If you could design your perfect school with AI, what could it be? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell because the next generation of learning starts with one curious mind. Yours. Bye.